I just finished this vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. I restored the birdcage and I fully serviced the mechanism so it works exactly as it should. Let's flip the lever, we'll hear it play. Nice strong singer, perfect animation. I'm going to put it to the pause feature. I don't quite have it there. There we go. Nice long pause. All singing birdcages have a pause feature, and if the pause feature does not work, that indicates there's something wrong with the birdcage. The pause feature prolongs the singing, because the bird sings, pause, etc. Let's put it back to continuous. Very pretty. Perfect animation. And then I'll switch it to off, which is all the way to the left. So in summary, a vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage in very nice condition and working perfectly. Take care.